So good morning. This is Pratap Raju. So lecturer in mechanical engineering, Government Polytechnic Nandipet. So our subject is advanced workshop technology. The chapter is drilling. Okay. So yesterday class we discussed about the tool holding devices and work holding devices. So today we are going to discuss about the drills. Okay. So this is a cutting tool. So what is drill and what are the types of drills are available. Okay. See here drill. So here various types of drills are there. So flat drill is there, straight footed drill is there, and twist drill. Okay, so again in twist drill there are two types of drills are there. There is a parallel shank twist drill and taper shank twist drill, and then core drill, oil hole drill, central drill, and drills. These are the various types of drills, and in this class we also discussed about the drill size and designation of drill. Okay, so let us see one by one actually what is drill. Okay, drill is a fluted cutting tool. Okay, drill is a fluted cutting tool used to make the hole in a solid material. Okay, so the purpose of drill is used to make the holes on a solid material. Okay, see here the various types of drills are there. See, we will see one by one. So we will see the flat drill. Okay, so the figure of the flat drill, see here it is in slide, we can able to see the flat drill. See, the flat drill is used to produce the holes in the softer materials like wood and as well as plastic. Okay, see the purpose of this flat drill is used to produce on a softer material. Okay, used to produce the material on softer material like as a wood and as well as plastics. Okay, so it is made up of high carbon steel. It is made up of high carbon steel. Okay, so it is first forged. Okay, it is forged, then hammered and tempered. Okay, it is forged and hammered and tempered. So it has a two cutting edges. So the flat drill having two cutting edges. Okay, see the flat drill, the cutting angle ranges from 90 degrees to 120 degrees. Okay, between the edges. Okay, so the cutting angle ranges from 90 degrees to 120 degrees. Okay, the relief angle at the cutting edge is 3 to 8 degrees. 3 to 8 degrees. So is compared to all other drills, so this flat drill is the cheaper one. That is the advantage of this of flat drill. See, whereas the disadvantage of the flat drill, so it has a few disadvantages about the having the flat drill. So its diameter is reduced due to sharpening of the cutting edges. Okay, so the cutting edge, sharpening of cutting edges, the diameter of the drill will be reduced. So that is one of the disadvantage. So it may not produce a true straight hole. It may not be produce a true and straight hole. Okay, as the point has a tendency to run out of the center. Okay, so it may the chance to come out from the center. Okay, that is the reason why it cannot produce the straight hole. Okay, so that is one of the major disadvantage with this drill. So it is not suitable for the deep holes. It is also not suitable for deep hole. This is also one of the disadvantage of the flat drill. Okay, so another type of drill is that is a straight fluted drill. So here we have the straight fluted drill. So on the slides we are able to see the straight fluted drill. So it is see the straight fluted drill. So the straight fluted drill, so it has two straight flutes. Okay, so you will see it has two straight flutes parallel to the drill. It has two straight flutes parallel to the drill axis and two cutting edges parallel to the drill axis and two cutting edges. It has a zero rake. So it has a zero rake angle. So it is used to make the holes in brass, copper and other softer material. Okay, so the straight fluted drill is used for the make the holes in brass, copper and other softer materials. Okay, so other than the plastics. Okay, so that is. So what are the advantages of this straight fluted? See, let's see. So it will not dig into the material. Okay, so that is the main advantage. So that is a disadvantage in flat drill. Okay, so there is no tendency of lifting the sheet. Okay, while drilling. Okay, as in case of twist drill. Okay, twist drill, what happens? It is a tendency to lift the workpiece or a sheet. Okay, but it is not like that. Okay, it doesn't have any flutes, it has a straight flute. Okay, that is the advantage. So then whatever the disadvantages of the straight flute, so it is the chip do not come out of the hole automatically. So that is the main disadvantage of the straight flutes. The chips do not come out of the hole automatically, that is a disadvantage. So another third type of drilling machine is drill is twisted drill. Okay, so in a figure we are able to see the various parts of the twisted drill. So the first part is the shank. Okay, and the next one is the neck. In between the shank and body, so we have that is called a neck. Okay, so and then body. Okay, so on the body it has a helical grooves that is called flutes. Okay, so from neck to point is called body. So on the body it has having a spiral flutes. Okay, so that is called helical grooves we can call as. Okay, so then that is called as a flutes. Okay, so the purpose of flutes is used to allow the coolants, and same way it is also used to escape the chips from the workpiece. Okay, that is called body, that is a flute. So here it is a twisted drill. So it is the most commonly used drill. Okay, so in almost all cases the twisted drill will be used. Okay, it has a two cutting edges. It has a two cutting edges and two helical grooves. It has a two cutting edges and two helical grooves. So the helical grooves are called flutes. The helical grooves are called flutes. Okay, this twisted drill, the flutes admit the coolants. Flutes admit the coolant and allow the chips to come out during the drilling. Okay, the flutes admit the coolants and allow the chips to come out during the drilling operation. Okay, so the cemented carbide drills are used to drill the harder material. Suppose if you want to make the hole on the harder material, so that twisted drill is made with the cemented carbide. Okay, the type of drill bit is used to make the holes on a harder material. Okay, so it has two main parts. Okay, one is body, another one is shank, as now just discussed. Okay, so the body consisting of flutes, cutting edges and drill points. So body consisting of flutes, cutting edges and drill points. The shank is a part to hold in the drilling machine. The shank, the part to hold the drilling machine. The point angle of twisted drill is about 118 degrees. So this is a very important question. So it may be asked in a competitive exam also. What is the point angle of twisted drill? Okay, the point angle of twisted drill is about 118 degrees. Okay, see that is about the twisted drill. So here we have the various types of twisted drills are there. So there is a parallel shank twisted drill and taper shank twisted drill. See, again in parallel shank twisted drills, the shank is parallel. So when the shank is parallel, then that is called taper shank. So it is the parallel shank having three types. One is a short series, and next one is stub series and long series. Okay, so the parallel shank twisted drill, the shank is parallel. Okay, they are held in drill chucks. Okay, the shank is held in drill chuck. Okay, this drill chuck fits into the spindle of drilling machine. Okay, so the drill rotates as the spindle also rotates. This is the principle. So in short series drills, the diameter ranges from 0.2 mm to 16 mm. Okay, the short series drills diameter ranges from 0.2 mm to 16 mm. The flute length of short series, okay, the flute length of the short series drills is shorter than the taper shank. The twisted drill for the same diameter. Okay, so stub series drills ranges from 1.5 mm to 26 mm. Okay, so 1.5 mm to 26 mm. Whereas a long series drills diameter ranges from 1.5 mm to 26 mm. Long series diameter ranges from 1.5 mm to 26 mm. The overall length of the long series drills is same that of taper shank drill as same diameter. Okay, so the taper shank twisted drill, these drills fits into the taper hole of the drilling machine spindle. Okay, the taper drill, the taper drift is used to remove the drill from the spindle. Suppose if you want to remove the taper drill, so the drift is there, so if you want to strike it, the drift will be removed. So once the drift is removed, automatically the drill will be dropped down. Okay, that is about the taper shank twisted drill. Okay, and the next type of drill is a core drill. So it is made up of either 3 or 4 floors. Okay, it is used for enlarging the hole already made. It is used for enlarging the hole already made. So and next other type of drill bit is oil hole drill bits. Okay, so it has a hole through the body. It has a hole through the body of the drill from shank to the point. Okay, so the hole carry the oil. The hole carry the oil down to the cutting point. Hole carry the oil down to the cutting point to cool and lubricate the drill point. To cool and lubricate the drill point. It is used for deep hole drilling. It is used for deep hole drilling. Okay, that is oil hole drill. Next, center drill. It has a 2 fluted twisted drill. It has a 2 fluted twisted drill with straight shank. 2 fluted straight drill with a straight shank. So it is used to make the center holes. It is used to make the center holes at the end of the shafts. Okay. Then those all are the types of drills. Okay. So and next one is the drill size. Okay. In metric system, the drills are manufactured from 0.2 to 100 mm. Okay. So in British systems, so they manufacture in 3 different sizes. So one is number size, letter size, and fractional size. Okay. So what is number size? So the drill sizes ranges from number 1 to number 80. Okay. So number 80 is the smallest diameter, which is equal to the 0.0135 inch. Okay. Number 1 is the largest diameter, which is equal to the 0.228 inch. Okay. That is the number size. And whereas come to letter size, the drill size ranges from A to Z. Drill size ranges from A to Z. A being is the smallest diameter, which is equal to the 0.234 inch, and Z is the largest diameter, equal to the 0.413 inch. Okay. So whereas the fractional size, the drill size ranges from 1/64 inch to 5 inch. Okay. So those are the fractional size. And coming to the designation of the drill, see how it is designated. Means drills are designated by series, diameter, and the IS number, the drill material, drill type, and point angle. So these all are the name of designated. So these all are the factors to designation the drill. Okay. So the drill type made in 3, namely normal, that is N, so hard H, and soft S. Okay. The drill type and the point angle is not mentioned. They are assumed as N type and 118 degrees. Okay. So a parallel shank twisted drill of long series 10 mm diameter, so made up of carbon steel, okay, of S type, and the point angle is 80, is designated as parallel shank twisted drill long 10 IS is 599 CS 5-80. Okay. So like that it will be designated. So that is the designation of the drill. So here the various today we have discussed the various factors. The one is the types of drills and drill size and designation of the drills. Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss another topic. So thank you.